Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. Guys, today in this video I am going to show you why the price of Bitcoin here in the medium short term could show some impulsiveness or so-called relief rally, but this relief rally might not last longer before price again starts breaking into the downward direction. Why? Because if we look at this formation here in a 4-hour time frame, this broadening wedge formation, this upper line always rejected the price, but whenever we got rejection around this upper line area, what happened with price action of Bitcoin? We got gravitated towards this falling trend line. Each and every time price tested the support from this falling trend line, after that we saw some consolidation and also a very nice impulsive movement here in this manner, just like from the past price action. And now if we look at this corrective movement after getting rejection from the upper line area, where it could be getting gravitated, this trend could be getting gravitated towards this falling trend line or lower line area from this broadening wedge. So in the medium short term, we found out the price was forming this bull flag, and if this bull flag is going to play out, I made it very clear on yesterday's video, 20,800, 20,700 is where we could be possibly getting gravitated before again showing this corrective movement here in this manner. Why? Because we know around that area we have the bottom CPI line lining for Bitcoin if you look at this in a daily time frame. Now before I start talking about this one here, just a friendly reminder, if you haven't destroyed that like button, then please do it right now, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now if you look at this CPI indicator, if you look at the price action of Bitcoin, you can see very clearly, yesterday we said if the price of Bitcoin is going to show a relief rally, then according to this bull flag, we found out 20,700, 20,800 is where we could be heading before again showing this corrective movement. And now also according to this CPI indicator, the bottom CPI line is lining exactly, guys, exactly around 20,800 area. So this 20,800 is where we could be getting gravitated, but we are well aware and also well prepared. If this line is going to reject the price, the target here to the downside is this monthly S1 line, which is around 17,900 to 18,000 range. Yes guys, this 17,900 to 18,000 is going to be looked as our potential upcoming target for Bitcoin for this September month. And not just only this one here, even ascending right angle broadening wedge formation is clearly pointing us the price right now is forming or could be forming this right shoulder. Once this right shoulder is formed and price also breaks from this lower line support, then this here could be turning out very ugly, because according to this ascending right angle broadening formation, you can see very clearly once the support gets broken, the price is ready for this new corrective movement. And also in that case 17,000, 18,000 will be looked as our potential upcoming target, and in the worst case scenario even 11,000, 12,000 is considered as our target for Bitcoin. And now guys, beside this example, now before I switch the chart, let me remind you guys, we have around $8,550 bonus available for our community members in the description down below. Bybit, which is my favorite crypto exchange, is giving around $4,450 bonus, and Phemex around $4,100. And additional to this, the first 50 users who sign up under Crypto Anup, deposit at least 1,000 USD, trade at least 1,000 USD, get an airdrop of 100 USDT, and along with that, all newly registered users will get 0% makers fee on derivatives until the end of September. So if you are an experienced trader, do grab this opportunity. This ascending channel of bear flag formation is clearly signaling a weakness, because yesterday when we were talking about this scenario, I showed you in the medium short term, you can see the price of Bitcoin could show some consolidation, even a relief rally, but after approaching around this falling trend line around 20,800, 20,700, the price could be showing another rejection and also a trend continuation here to the downward direction. Why? Because we have found out in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin has failed to find support from this rising channel, the lower line area, after that we have always started with this corrective movement. So in our case, the support has already been broken, it has also rejected the price. So that was the reason I was warning you, even if we are going to see any sort of impulsive movement in the medium short term, please be careful. These lines between 20 22,800 to 22,400 is going to be one of the most important resistance line, but I personally don't think the price could show this impulsiveness and also flip the upper line into proper support. So as long as we are going to remain below these lines, the trend is looked bearish. Yes guys, price closing below the CPI line is always looked as a bearish continuation pattern. And now beside this example guys, also this dead cat bounce scenario will be actually playing out perfectly once we lose the support around this 19,000, because right now where we are, you can see we are around this 0.4 area, and we have talked about this scenario plenty of time in my videos, but I just want to give you guys a picture, right? What is going to happen once this support around 19,000 is going to get broken. So according to this dead cat bounce trading pattern, you can see very clearly once the support around this 0.4 or the support around this 19,000 gets broken, then we are going to start with this corrective movement where the price is going to follow the original trend. And I have been very clear, the original trend in our case is clearly a move here to the downside or downtrend. So these are some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys hit that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.